For individuals with a BMI of greater or equal to 25 who are not interested in surgery, we offer non-surgical medical weight loss using meal replacements, education in the areas of diet, exercise and behavior change, and weight loss medications if appropriate. Our programs are facilitated by clinicians dedicated to helping you make positive steps toward improved health and quality of life. Participants will have regular visits to our center where you receive education and encouragement to help make lasting dietary and lifestyle changes that promote long-term success.
My internal medicine physician did their own research and said, hey, look, there's a program here called Early. And what I needed was something more comprehensive, medically focused, that had the leverage of a true hospital nature. First 2 weeks, I noticed a weight loss. Next 2 weeks, I noticed more weight loss. Next 2 weeks after that, get my first lab results, seeing an impact. It was immediate and it was sustainable. The Hurley team is fantastic.